This week's problem is a logic problem. Elsa, Anna, and Marita play in the school band. One plays the flute, one plays the saxophone, and one plays the drums. Elsa is a fourth grader. Elsa and the saxophone player practice together after school. Anna and the flute player are fifth graders. Who plays the drums? Well, let's introduce our characters. Here's Elsa, here's Anna, and here's Marita. And we go back to our problem and we see that the three instruments are flute, saxophone, and drums. So we write them in as shown so we can make a little chart to work with. Then we go back to our problem and we see that they're all either fourth graders or fifth graders. So we write fourth and fifth over on the right in our chart. Now we look at one of the clues. Elsa is a fourth grader. So we mark Elsa as a fourth grader, circling fourth for Elsa, crossing out fifth. She can't be a fifth grader if she's a fourth grader. The next clue we're going to look at is Anna and the flute player are fifth graders. That implies that there are two fifth graders, and since there are only two musicians left, the two left have to both be fifth graders, Anna and Marita. So we mark that as shown. Then we go back to that same clue. Anna and the flute player are fifth graders. That implies that Anna is not the flute player. So the other fifth grader has to be the flute player. So Marita is the flute player, and we can cross off flute for both Anna and Elsa. And now, all we have to do is decide between Elsa and Anna who plays sax and who plays drums. We'll look at one more clue. Elsa and the saxophone player practice together. That means that Elsa is not the saxophone player. So Anna's the saxophone player, and Elsa is the drummer. The question was, who plays the drums? Our answer is Elsa. The answer to this week's problem of the week.